Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Okoyemi Olotu, and I'm just here to share good news for you guys. And today I'm just going to be sharing an opportunity. It's not location restricting now. Just stay tuned. Let me just share this with you very quickly. Number one, this opportunity is fully funded. Yeah, it is fully funded. That is, all financial requirements are provided. Also, it's free flight ticket. The flight ticket is fully funded. The tuition fee is free. The travel allowance is as well free. You will also get monthly stipend, which includes your living cost, that is your accommodation, your feeding and other expenses. This funding can also be applied to 52 programs in 27 universities worldwide. These countries include USA, Australia, UK, Japan, the Schengen countries, and many more. So now in this video, I'm just going to be showing you who can apply for this program, the requirement, and every other procedures required, then the application deadline. Now the application is currently on, and I'm going to show you the date when it will be closing. So it's a good time to apply for this scholarship. Now, this video is a step-by-step guide, and I want you to follow it strictly. So if you're just watching this video or you're watching me for the very first time, I want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Okoyemi Olotu, and if you check through my videos, you see that I share videos across relocation, opportunities abroad, scholarship, IELTS, everything you can think of that has to do with relocation. However, there are other parts of these videos that a lot of people have not seen, which has to do with lifestyle, faith, and all of those things. So please, if you're coming here for the very first time, I will encourage you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And for those that have subscribed already, I want to thank you guys, and God bless you all. So I want to say, just stay tuned to this video. I'm going to show you how to apply, who can apply, and many other informations you need for this video. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to take action after watching this video. So showing you this joint Japan World Bank graduate scholarship program. As you can see, this program is a joint program by Japan and World Bank, and not everyone can apply for this scholarship rather. So to apply for this scholarship, you have to be able, so it says that this program is open to citizens of certain developing countries with relevant professional experience and a history of supporting their country's development efforts who are applying to a master's degree program in a development related topics. Now, subject to available funding, this program offers scholarship for 53 participating master's programs in 27 universities in the US, Europe, Africa, Oceania, and Japan in the key area of development, including economic policy management, tax policy, and infrastructure management. Now, this please note that if you are not admitted to one of these 52 participating master's program, you are not eligible to apply for this scholarship in 2024. I think that's a step. Now, this is the opening window currently. The opening window for the first batch is from January 15 to February 29, 2024. And as you can see, the name of selected applicant to be announced by the end of March 2024. Then the second window is from March 2024 to May 2024. March 24. So as you can see, there's enough period to apply for this scholarship. And remember, I mentioned, I'm going to show you the developing countries that can apply for this opportunity. Now you can see countries eligible for this program in 2024, and as you can see Afghanistan, you can see Algeria, you can see several African countries here. You can see Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cameroon, you can see Chad, you can see Congo Republic, Cote d'Ivoire, you can see Egypt, you can see Ethiopia, you can see Ghana, you can see Guinea. Several countries are eligible. So if any of these countries, if you're a citizen of any of these countries, then it means you are eligible. You can see Mozambique, you can see Niger, you can see Nigeria, you can see Niger, you can see Philippines, and several other countries. As you can see Tanzania, you can see Zimbabwe. So now all of these people, all of these countries are eligible for this program. So that shows that's the first step to know that you are eligible. Now for application guidelines, all you have to do is to check through the application guidelines document, and it says that, as you can see on my screen, it says that to have a JJWBGPS application reviewed, applicant must fulfill the following two criteria. Number one, the applicant must meet the following eligibility criteria: be a national of a World Bank member country listed in the Annex 1 of these guidelines. 2, not be a dual citizen of any developed country. 3, on or after the date of the call for scholarship applications open, must be an executive director, his or her alternate, or staff of any type of appointment, including temporary and consultant, of the World Bank Group International Branch for reconstruction, development, blah blah blah. Please just read any of this. Read all of this information. It's a lot and I don't want this video to be long. It said be a bachelor's degree holder or equivalent university degree, and at least 3 years before the date of application deadline. Third, it says be employed in development related work in a paid full scholarship position at the time of submitting the scholarship application, as you can see. Okay, so please just take your time to check all of this. On or before the scholarship application deadline date, I've been admitted unconditionally except for funding for the upcoming academic year to at least 1 year of JJWPG participating program and located outside of the applicant's country of citizenship and country of residence. Yeah, so I believe these information are quite clear enough. You must have gotten admission into any of these countries, any of these universities, any of these 27 countries before the closing period for this application. So it is up to the applicant to determine if he or she is eligible given his or her circumstances. Now please just watch this. Then for the first one, you can see this is for the second one. Say submit one online application. So an application will be accepted and reviewed if the applicant submits only one completed application electronically through the online application site by application deadline by February 29. An application is considered complete if it includes 2 recommendation letters. So you need 2 recommendations letter from people who have direct knowledge of the applicant's professional work experience, and 1 completed application form which includes an applicant's agreement to conditions stated on the signature page of the application form that is written in either English or language of their master's degree program. For example, a complete application form written in French by an applicant who is seeking a scholarship to attend the preferred university in the United Kingdom will not be reviewed. So guys, you can see all of this information. Like, just read through all of this, be sure you understand it, and please take your time. Now attention says you can draft but do not submit a WGSP scholarship application until you upload an unconditional letter of acceptance from a participating master's degree program. It means that you must you must have applied, or you must have been accepted from university for your master's degree program before you can apply for this scholarship. So it means this is not actually for everybody. It's not for everybody. Now, the link to the application form will only be communicated by the body participating program to the applicant they have shortlisted as available. So first thing is to just gather all your documents together, your reference letter as mentioned, your letter of acceptance as well, submitting it to this program. Just please, I will advise you to kindly go through the link attached to this video for you to be able to familiarize yourself with the website, know every other thing you need to know about the information before you apply. It actually takes someone who's intentional to be able to sit down and read through all of this information and apply as required. So please guys, I don't want you to. Okay, so you need identification. That is, you need the identification page of your passport, maybe your birth or marriage certificate with identical name to the one submitted on the application form. You need the medical certificate. Every other thing you need, please, is stated here. It's stated here. So please just take your time and read through all of this information. Like I said, these are the countries that are eligible for this particular scholarship. So please guys, I'm just going to leave the scholarship link on the application page, on the description page of this, or the comment section of this video, and you can just take your time to just get through to it. I know some people will be intentional. I just want to embrace this opportunity. Don't forget the benefit attached, and be sure you're ready to embrace this opportunity. And I wish every applicant the best of luck. If you think there are people around you who need this, please just share with them and let them be a beneficiary to this scholarship. Thank you guys, and I'm gonna see you guys again in my next video. Bye.